In front of me is the Lenovo tab K11E, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling a tiny bit to tap on this section called Notifications and Control Center. Now select App Notifications at the top, and before doing anything, click on Most Recent or Sort by Name. This way you'll be able to sort your apps in case of this section by apps with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps on your tablet, or apps with notifications already disabled. If you tap on Sort by Name though, you can pick one of those options: Sort by Name, Sort by Size, or Sort by Install Time. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, click on blue switches next to apps from which you want to block notifications, and gray ones to turn them back on. Quick tip: most people miss that you can also tap on any app available on the left, and not only manage notifications from here, but also check out all of those alert options only for chosen apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!